Okay, to move to the next things. I don't order only these things from Simon Says Stamp. I have also ordered some vintage tickets from Jenny Bowling. I really love them. They are sturdy, except this ones. I already opened it, so I really like those. So I don't have to make my own or stamp my own. I can just modify this and it will look, I think, fantastic in my art journal. I also got some fancy pens. It says Be Different ticket roll. It has 32 pieces, and this is something that is with the Be Different. I think this is how they call their paper pads. So because I had some Simon Says Stamp card kit, I think it was March or May, I don't remember now, where they had this kind of monsters, so I still have that paper, so I will use it with these tickets. And I really love because they have some colors, so it could be also good for the cards. So we have those. Every time Simon Says includes this card where you can get some kind of coupons, saves, etc. And I usually use them for my I just cut them and use them as the scrapers, so but okay, it's good to know. I also got stamp and stencil sets from Jelly Bean Soup. I got this butterfly dictionary. I really like it. It says butterfly and all battery, all kind of words which begins with BU, I think, until the buzz. And I really like because they have stencil. Those kind of stencil are not usually the kinds which I buy because they have adhesive. I used to have some Martha Stewart stencils like this, but I don't use them so much. I don't know why. So I really like those because this is a set, and I don't think it costs so much. I think it's $10. So this is the butterfly dictionary. And the birthday. I really like birthday, not only because of the stencil, which is excellent, you know, and you can make offset things with this, for example, party or this banner, but I really like when it's I don't know, how do you call it, I really like this one and this one because I think that they will come in my good in my dies which I have, so I really like those. And I never had the Jelly Bean Soup before, so stamp, so I'll try this one. I also got from Lawn Fawn, I got this Winter in the Park stamp set, and I really like this bench and this lamp, but okay, those are mainly season greetings, so it's for the winter. Now it's summer, so but I will use it later. Okay, so I got those. I also got from Seven Gypsies. This is collection from the Journey, but I don't see anywhere the name of the brand, the name of the stamp, except it says SC0519, and I will use them mostly for my art journal. So I got those. I also got from Simple Stories paper pad. I just don't like it's fall off. I tried to save it, but I don't think I will be able to. But I'm really in love with Simple Stories papers. Not so much for the quality, but for the designs. I think that with the next order I ordered 4 more Simple Stories paper pads because the colors and the combination are excellent. So just let me flip through. So those are the papers. I really like those combination of colors. They are bright but not so much bright. So like I told you, everything was falling apart. Okay, so this is it.